babes, and welcome back to my channel and to this palette bingo. I haven't done a palette bingo in a while and I got a lot of requests to do one, and I thought since I am filming a ranking my Colourpop palettes today, I don't know if that video is already up. If it's up, I'll leave it in the corner. If it's not up, it means it's coming soon. I think it's up. So you should look in the eye. I'm gonna do a palette bingo with all of my monochromatic palettes. Like the monochromatic palettes, the ones that are in the rainbow series. So I'm not including like the Sol and Mar, and I'm not including the strawberry palette. But I am doing it with the whole rainbow, and I am gonna do a palette bingo. I am gonna randomly draw some numbers. It's gonna be 1 to 9 in each of these palettes, and I'm gonna use one shade from each of these palettes, and I'm gonna try and recreate, like create some kind of a look. We'll see how that works out. Let me go into, I go to random.org. That is what I'm using, and I'm gonna draw, is it seven palettes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's bingo with 3 eyes. That's what we're doing. Delightful. How do I want to have these palettes? What does the rainbow actually look like? Wait, let me look at the rainbow. Okay, it should be purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and then pink. I don't really know if pink is part of. I think the rainbow is like this, but in like it's like the biblical rainbow. There is a darker like indigo, but instead it's a pink. You know what? I don't know. We're doing it like this. This is how we're doing it. So I'm gonna start with the pink one. I'm gonna get some numbers for this one. I'm generating, and I get a number 2. I hope you can see that it's a 2 here, so that's what we're doing. And number 2 is softcore. Should I have something to... This is a great color to start out with. It's this color here. I should probably have something... Should I just do it on my pants? Maybe. I'm generating again, and I'm getting number 6. So you see, that's number 6, and that is for the main squeeze. Oh, there's another matte. I hope I get some shimmers. This is Big Gulp. These two are gonna look so good together. So that's the one from this palette. Cool, and then we're doing the orange one, and we're getting number 9. That is the last color. I'm kind of hoping, can you see anything? I'm kind of hoping that I won't get any glitters. Another matte. It's Yapiomi. I am doing the worst swatches ever. But that's what this one looks like. This is going to be a really nice crease. I need something to wipe my... Let me get a paper. Fingers are already stained. Awesome. We're going into the yellow, and we're having number 7. Another matte. Well, this is what we're doing. What am I going to do with all of these shades? Why did I think that this was a good idea? What do I think I've been drinking? Why are my swatches so horrible? There are so many questions, so little answers. These swatches look horrible. These are really nice colors though. I don't know what's going on. Stop it. We're doing the green one, and we're getting number 8. So you can see it's number 8. And that is... Is this gonna be a matte look? What am I... Send help. Okay, it's Mobamba. It is the dark green. I really do love this one though. That one is a great swatch at least. I need a shimmer. I'm using a bit of paper if that's what you're hearing. I don't mind doing an all matte look, but I would prefer, since it's 7 shades, to have a shimmer. Not gonna lie. Got number 4 for the blue. There is the number 4. Oh, my fingers are so stained. And it's a matte. Okay, we're doing Starry-Eyed. It's the one here. That's the one. I'm reconsidering this video idea. Okay, last one, it's number 6. And that is the purple palette, It's My Pleasure. And that is impossible to open. That's what it is. It's a shimmer! Whoa! But it's a dark shimmer. Someone hates me. Okay, we're doing Chiclet. What is this gonna be? So that is the rainbow, people. This is a rainbow. I'm I'm gonna need, let me zoom in a bit and let me think about this for a while and we'll get into doing something, hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna start with the yellow shade and I'm gonna put that as a kind of a transition shade all over this area, I think. I mean, I don't really know how to do something with like the blue and green with this. I think I am gonna cut the crease just a little bit just to make it a bit easier on me. Otherwise, I'm not sure how I would do it with the blue without getting this super muddy, since it's also matte. Okay, I'm gonna use the Big Gulp now, the one from the red palette, and I am gonna deepen this up a bit, and then I'm gonna take the one from the orange one, I think, and really... I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to take the blue in the inner corner and maybe do the purple and the green under the eye. Not the purple and the green, the pink and the green. I think that is what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm going into the orangey shade now. It's the Ya Peel Me. It is more like a darker orangey brown. So I think it's gonna be nice to deepen up this with something like this. This is definitely the darkest matte. Oh no, that's not true. We have the green one as well, but that wouldn't work with the orangey shades. So we're doing this. Okay. I think I'm gonna do the green and the pink under my eyes now. I'm gonna start with the green. That was Mobamba. I think I am gonna start with that one. Gonna put these two away. Hopefully this is gonna sort itself out. No one knows. I'm just gonna put this on half, I guess. Am I getting eyeshadow on my boobs? Maybe. Okay, I'm cleaning my brush. I'm just cleaning it in my Vermona color switch. And which one was it? It was Softcore, right? I think I'm gonna take that one on like the rest. I have no idea how this... No idea how this is gonna work out. I think that we're doing this. I am gonna go... because I think I'm gonna do the purple on half the lid, the chiclet, and then I'm gonna do the blue one, the starry-eyed. I'm gonna do that on the inner part of the lid, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corners as well. I think so, but I am gonna cut my lid because it's gonna be a lot easier. Otherwise, the blue is gonna blend into the yellow and the orange, and that's gonna be a muddy mess. So let me do that so we don't get too much of a catastrophe over here, because I need help. Okay, I am back and I'm gonna do the purple first, the chiclet. I am gonna spray this just to not get a lot of fallout, because that's the last thing I need right now. So let me spritz a bit on that, and I'm gonna put that in the outer half. I'm gonna use the brush that I had for the orangey red, and I'm just carefully gonna blend a bit here. I might add a bit more of the orange, to be honest, but I'm just gonna put the blue on first. I'm using the same brush. I'm just gonna clean it, Vermona color switch, and I'm just tapping out the little crease that creates when you put something sticky on and you have a bit of folds like I do. And then I'm using the starry-eyed. I wish this was a shimmer, but it is not, and I am patting that like on the concealer, trying not to blend it into the orange, because that is gonna create muddiness. If you look at the color wheel, the blue, if you blend the blue with anything that's like red, you're gonna get a bit of muddiness. It can be blended into a purple if the purple is cool tone enough, but even that can be tricky, to be honest. So remember that when you're working with blues on like why it doesn't work for you, it might be that you're blending the blue into the wrong colors. I'm taking a little bit more of the dark orange and I'm just patting that on top here and just blending it out a bit to at least try and make it as non-patchy as possible. I personally I'm not trying to make things perfect, I'm just trying to make things fun. But if I can make them as perfect as possible, that is good enough for me. What I am gonna do, and this is how my palette bingos are, because I'm gonna go out in this. I'm going to the movies today, I'm so excited. I am gonna actually add something. How I do my palette bingos is that I am forcing myself to use all the shades that I drew, but I'm allowing myself to add something if I want to. And I am gonna add a little bit of Lumi just in the inner corners. I'm gonna spray it just to get a little bit of lightness there, because I feel like I like when my inner corners are a bit brighter. And if you like to do your palette bingos in another way, don't let me stop you. But I think at the end of the day, it's important that we do something that we think is fun and that we feel comfortable with. I think I'm gonna use just a little bit more of the pink because I feel like I lost a bit. Let me put a bit more lipstick on. This is Elan by H&M Beauty. I used a bit of cool toned lip liner around because I felt like it. This is Gerard Cosmetics Underground. It is this like cool tone grayish color. I'm gonna finish this look up. I'm gonna put some lashes. I'm gonna do something probably white in my waterline. And I'll be right back and we can look at the finished look. Okay, so that is the finished look. This is what it's looking like when I have the original Iconics on. Are these the Iconics? Yeah, I have the original Iconics on. These are very cut though. I've cut out quite a lot of these, so it's only accentuated at the absolute outer edge, because that is something that I like when I am doing cut creases and half cut creases. And yeah, I really like this. I didn't think I was gonna like the orange, the purple and the blue so much together, but I think it looks beautiful. If I were to do this look like not doing like a palette bingo, I would just have changed up the lower lash line and did like an orange lower lash line, I think, like an orange red lower lash line. But I really like this look. I think it's beautiful, and the lower lash line works as well. It was hard though, I'm not gonna lie. It was hard. 7 shades, all shimmer but one, and it was a dark purple. I'm telling you, random.org, it's out to get me. It's setting me up for failure, but I beat you. Can't get me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this look. I will put the details down below on what I've used, at least most of it that I remember. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want to be subscribed, please do. I upload several videos a week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!